Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use bicycle cable ends. This is kinda a dumb idea for the video because it's fairly obvious how to use them. But I've seen a lot of videos where people complaining on the cable ends, they don't like them, they propose to weld cable and super glue them, or I don't know, something like that, because the problem that sometimes they have is that when you're trying to remove the cable end, you can, how to say, ruin your cable, ruin the end, make it like that, and then it would become unusable. You will need to replace it or something like that. So what is the correct way to use them? Take just regular narrow pliers. You don't need any special tools, because special tools might actually, the crimped end might look better, but it would be hard to remove. Take it like that and crimp it. Pretty obvious. Now it's solid. You can apply like a greater force with your help of your second hand. So why is this the correct way? Because when you want to remove it, you just rotate it 90 degrees, take your pliers, this was not 90 degrees, take your pliers, compress it, and it's removed very easily, and cable end is totally fine. Now you can reuse it probably like 10 more times. You just put it at the end and crimp it again. Then if you want to remove it again, rotate it again and remove it. That's it. Hope it will help someone.